Hi, welcome to our next video on Reflexion secure encryption services. In the last video, we covered how to send a secure email using the encryption services provided by Reflexion. We talked about some of the benefits of using Reflexion with the automated scanning to protect personally identifiable information that the user may not realize is even in there or forget to send encrypted. Today we're going to show what the recipient sees when an email is received. Here's an email that's been sent and received in encrypted form. We see that the message includes the notice that it's a secure message. At this point, the recipient just clicks the open button. And if this is the first time that they've received an encrypted email from you, they'll be prompted to create a password for themselves. This is unique to them. Nobody else knows it. This is their password. The password has to meet certain complexity requirements. The rules are listed below. Once the password's created, the email automatically pops open. Any attachments would be listed above, but you can see the confidential information that's received here. And again, this is available only to this user. Encrypted emails travel securely. They're encrypted during transit, which meets the requirements of HIPAA, FINRA, Massachusetts General Law, California General Law. To reply to an encrypted email securely, simply just hit the reply button. You can make attachments here, put in your message, send it back, and again, the message gets sent back securely. Here you have a list of all the emails that have transacted on your account. If we go back and look what the sender receives, they see exactly what you had just typed into them. And again, all these communications are handled securely. The second time the user comes into the system, if another email is received or they want to open the same message again, when they click the open message button, they've already created the password, so they just have to enter the password here that they've created for themselves. Sign in, and again, they'll have access to the messages. Pretty simple. Reflection's a very powerful tool. I hope this helps, and we'll see you in the next video.